Hey guys, back to the video, and today as you can see we have Data Boy Sammy face reveal. So yeah, and me, Ninja the Gamer, as you know, and today,
Sharky.
Yeah. Oh no, you called Sharky, aren't you?
Yeah.
I said Data Boy Sammy. That's your Xbox name. Don't go add him as a friend if you want.
Yeah, I have no friends.
Right,
Right, today we're going to be doing life hacks.
Yeah, today we're going to be doing top life hacks that actually work. See you in a second. The next life hack is how to turn your light on with a wand. See, it works now. I'll turn it off. The magical wand.
Our next life hack will be, if you touch this wall with a magic wand, you can open a secret passage to a secret room.
On any
if you
brick
tap
wall.
like this, look, a secret passage. Oh, it's like Harry Potter. Whoa.
If you throw this weird yellow thing at a wall, then you can get superpowers. Look. Whoa!
Oh my god, guys,
It's
he has
giving me a
superpowers.
super mask.
He's like a Flash.
I can feel the superpowers
Okay.
running through
That's
my
amazing.
veins.
Guys, this is another cool life hack. If you press these really fast for 10 minutes, 10 seconds, I mean, you get to be really fast with computing like this.
Whoa!
I know it's fun, go.
The next awesome life hack is if you get a weird rattling thing and put it near your butt when you see a rattlesnake and go near a rattlesnake and it while it's rattling, it won't attack you because it'll think you're a female. Rattle, rattle.
Guys, our next life hack is if you crack one of these snappy things.
Snap it.
Snap it will give you fire powers. Watch this. Okay, go.
Okay, guys. Basically, if you say base for 20 times, base. Okay. If you wear more than one medal, so we have 3 medals here. If you have more than one medal at a time, you get telekinesis. But
Depending
first,
how many medals you have,
Yeah.
the more powerful the
we
telekinesis
have 3
is.
medals, so I can only do small things. But first, we need to meditate.
Yeah, I don't think you need to do that. I think you just put it on.
Yeah, we're good now.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh my god, I can sense it.
And now we will show my telekinetic powers.
Whoa, he's pulling it towards me. He's pulling the scissors. He's pulling them. He's pulling them.
Whoa! Magical powers.
That is amazing. Look at him, he's so cool. Hey guys, this is our next life hack. It is a cardboard speaker. There's a hole here for your phone to go in, so just fit your phone in. Like that. The speaker. It's
And
amazing.
It does actually work because it echoes. Yeah!
Oh, yes!
Okay, now on to the probably last and next life hack. All you need is your phone
And one of these
and
plastic arrows.
and a wooden arrow with a squeegee end. Look, then you just go bloop. And as you can
Look
see,
guys, it says
look,
at the top that
it
it's
actually
charging.
says now it's charging. How amazing is that? And we'll be back in a bit when it's fully charged. Whoop whoop! And guys, look, as you can see now, after a few minutes, it's already charged. Oh, it fell. Oh no, look, it stopped charging by a tiny little bit. Bye bye. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the weird life hack video. The only one that was actually true was the speaker one, but Sam's phone wouldn't fit in here. It was too small. Well, it would fit, but it was too small, so a lot of the sound was just coming out here, so it wouldn't echo as good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Bye bye.
First life hack. all you need to do is put this phone into a toilet paper thingy. And then you've got a phone case. Look, protected.
Look, perfectly protected.
Yes.
Yeah.